Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphone Soundcore P20i on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line or click here and write Soundcore. Now search. And you should install this application. Allow, agree and continue, skip, add device, and allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!